All right, so now I'm gonna show you 3 ways I use that elbow different from rolling around, okay? Let's say I go into one of my squat versions. I'm gonna drop to that elbow and then push out. So I'm coming from here and I push my way out. I'll do it one more time. So I am using that elbow as I go down. Boom. Then I push myself up. All right. I can jump into it. That's more capoeira, jump into a Kejihine. So I'm here, right there. And now another way is to swing around this way into it. All right, so I'll do it again.